Hello friend, welcome to Yaman Tech and man with Anindo, and today I'll unboxing the Redmi 9 Power. So friend, if you come to my channel first time, like the video, share the video, subscribe the video. So let's start it. This is the Redmi 9 Power mobile in this packet. And this is the box of the mobile. So tell us some of the features of this mobile. 4GB RAM and internal storage 64GB and back camera 48 megapixel and front camera 8 megapixel and Android version 10 operating system with up to 2.0 GHz clock speed. Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor and 6000 MHz large lithium polymer battery with supported 18-watt fast charging. And this is the case of the mobile. And this is the USB-C type cable, and this is the 18-watt fast charger. So let's boot it. If you like the video, subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. So friend, that's all for today. See you next time.